Crypto.com just announced the Airdrop Arena, where you can earn free airdrops by simply depositing your CRO. But how does it work? And is it actually worth it? Well guys, I would say let's strap in and let's find out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm the one and only Coin Baron. And if you looked at my X profile recently, I actually joined the Crypto.com Airdrop Arena quite heavily. And I even was the #1 ranked player in the Airdrop Arena. So I am really excited about this new feature on the Crypto.com app. But in this video, I want to talk a bit more about, okay, how does it work? How do you actually participate? How do you earn points? And in the end, is it really worth it? Because over here, guys, I was seeing some crazy rewards, talking about more than 2000% over here. But unfortunately, the actual rewards will probably be a lot lower. But more about that in a few minutes. First, guys, if you haven't done so, please subscribe to the channel and like, of course, this video. And let's go right now to the tutorial. In the earn section, you can go towards the Airdrop Arena. And there you will see the first airdrop. Below that, you can find the leaderboard, the FAQ, basically how you can participate and how you can actually earn the points. And also what boosters are active. For example, the Loot Locker or the Rewards Plus Voyager. But more about these point boosters in a minute. Okay, the most important part though is transfer to join, the bottom button. And there you can see first how much CRO do you want to deposit and what lockup term there will be. So 6 months will be the default for this Airdrop Arena. And right now you see, if I deposit 350,000 CRO, you will start with 3,500 points. And it does ask, but it's by default enabled, to boost your daily points to 200% by locking your rewards for 6 more months. So ladies and gentlemen, think carefully if that's something you want, because the memes in the airdrop are often quite volatile. But okay, right now we are on the confirmation screen where you see the amount to deposit and the total points you will get. So right now we'll log in again to confirm, and then you do see transfer complete. And right now, guys, I am #1, so I had to take this little screenshot, of course. And then we are back basically towards the leaderboard. And you do see I am right now #1. So as you see, depositing CRO is really easy. But how does the point scoring work? Well, guys, let's go to the FAQ. Scoring points start with depositing CRO in the Airdrop Arena. And over here, you can see that every 100 CRO earns you 1 point. So guys, as you've seen, I deposited 350,000 CRO and I got 3,500 points in return. But it's important to know that you don't get points once, you get points every day. So every day I will get those 3,500 points because of my initial deposit. There are ways though to boost these points, and these are very important if you want to score high and earn additional rewards. So the most important one, guys, is the Loot Locker, and think very carefully about this one. If you activate the Loot Locker, you will get double the points every day, double. So that's a big boost. However, you also agree to lock up the rewards you get for an additional 6 months. So in this case, guys, you will get Core AI at the end of this first event, but you have to wait for 6 months until you can actually get your Core AI and sell or buy more or trade it in for anything else. That was an important one, so guys, think carefully if that's something you want to do. Then also we do have the Swift Starter. This one is a bonus for the first 10,000 users to actually get started with the airdrop event. And then finally we have the Rewards Plus Voyager bonus. So if you guys have the Rewards Plus program active, you can actually get a little bonus up to 160% depending on your Rewards Plus level. So check out your Crypto.com account, Rewards Plus level, to see how much bonus you will get. That is not all though, ladies and gentlemen, because we also have this GameFi element with the leaderboard. As you see at the end of the event, right now they also take a look at the top 50, the top 1000 and the top 5000 participants on the leaderboard. And for example, as you see, the top 50, like me over here, will get a 3x amount of points for that total amount of points of that event. And that one is important because they will take a look at the total amount of points and your share of that amount of points to determine your reward. So a very big important boost. Personally, I'm a bit in doubt what I think about this system, because first and foremost, it will mainly help the whales in the ecosystem simply because they have the most amount of CRO. But also, I do kind of like the GameFi element, because right now, for example, if you're scoring as number 51, you want to get into that 50 bonus, the top 50 bonus. So you might want to go that extra mile, making it a bit of a game as well. So that's kind of fun. Let me know in the comments down below what you think about the system and if you think about participating. Anyways, that choice is up to you. But first, let's go to the expected rewards. In the Airdrop Arena, on the main app, you can see My Rate. And the My Rate is the expected rewards that are calculated by the app. Unfortunately, they are not really telling you the complete truth right now because it is still recalculating as more people are joining the program. So you might have seen my tweet that posted with 2000% of reward. But right now, of course, I think it already tenfolded the amount of participants. So also the amount of reward basically diminished by 10x. Having said that though, I do think right now the majority of people are slowly getting in. They learn about this program, about the Airdrop Arena, and I think about 30 to 50,000 people will join this program. So my personal guess is that the amount of reward I'm seeing right now will go down towards 100% or 50% in between these regions. And those are still very, very juicy rewards. So guys, I do think it's worth the risk of locking up right now your CRO for those 6 months. Because honestly, like a 50% increase of APR with these airdrops, that's absolutely crazy. Also, for people wondering about the 6-month lockup period, there is of course this opportunity cost that you can't sell your CRO if there's a big increase in price. However, I do like this post over here by Black Sea from the Crypto Report. They're basically saying, hey, guys, typically we have about 850 days of a new bull season. And as you see, we are still not there. We're not at 850 days. Of course, history will always repeat, but often it does rhyme as it has done so already 2 times before. So this time around, guys, I think we have about 200 days left in this bull run. And therefore, about a 6 months lockup period is still within those fine regions. So this should be absolutely fine in my opinion, but of course no financial advice. Finally, I do want to talk about the Airdrop tokens because as you see, they are Core AI, they are Crop Mob and they are DIP. And these are meme coins. Meme coins also created not by the community, but often by the VVS team or Crypto.com related companies. Unfortunately, I do miss the community tokens on there. I do miss utility tokens on there, but having said that, we might see some good marketing pushes by the Crypto.com team on these tokens as well, but there will be probably quite some sell pressure. Who knows though, I can't give you guys the future about these coins. It might actually be good, it might be bad, so it's your call to make over there, especially if you decide to lock up your rewards for 6 more months. But of course, also these meme coins can definitely have very great returns as well. We'll see. I would have preferred a CRO return, but again, let me know in the comments down below. What do you think about these airdrop tokens? Are they good? Are they bad? Do you think about joining the program? Do you like this channel? Have you hit the like button already? A lot of great questions, and I hope you guys also do have subscribed because, of course, I need to buy myself some new suspenders. Anyways, that is it really for this video, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.